Luka guys, may harap ng bola guys. Pumeke guys, sabay pinasa ulit. Biglang ayop guys sa sentro nila guys. Conley naman tayo guys. Push shot guys, so pasok yan guys kay Conley. Veterano na yan eh. Luka ulit guys, pick and roll guys. Sabay tres, bang bang. Terribly guys. Pinasa pa yun, sabay salampak yan guys, grabe. Tapos tuloy tumalon yan guys. Edward guys, tapos pinasa kay Reed. 4-3, bang bang yan guys. Kyrie guys, sinasayaw na si Reed guys. Mash up to guys. Pumeki Kyrie guys, sabay third drop kain. Naiiwan si Reed. Edward guys, nasa palpal dito guys. Sabay kinuha yung bola, binababa yung bola guys. Sabi lang po, sabay pinasa na kay Gobert guys. Easy to dunk yan guys, matik, malaki. Alexander Walker guys, binababa yung bola guys. Sabay kick out kay Reed ulit for 3. Patay na naman guys. Contested ba yun guys? Grabing Reed yan surbol. Kyrie guys. Ganda ng pass niya guys. Ayot na naman kay Gafford. Grabe. Ganda ng play guys. McDaniel guys. Butata kay Gafford guys. Takuha ni Kyrie guys. Nag-hesitate guys. Third drop ulit using the glass. Galing. Gabing Kyrie yan guys. Ang angas na guys na dala guys. Anderson guys, naghanap ng pamukha. Pinasa kay Edward for 3. Bang! Grabe, sureball na rin si Edward guys. Mike Conley guys, humina screen, sabay pull up sa tres. Patay din guys. Luka guys, sumiswim the ball. Sabay din nila niya yung bantay na guys. Sabay step back sa tres guys. Contested pa, patay pa rin. Grabe guys. Anderson, kick out kay Reed for 3 guys. Bang! Patay pa rin. Nakatot ng tres na yan guys. 33-48 guys. Lamang ang Minnesota guys. Edward guys. Screen ni Gobert guys. Ayun guys, sabay pull up sa tres. Patay guys. Luka guys, sa baba ng bola guys. Ayun guys, nagmamadali guys. Ganda ng pasa kay Library guys. Ayup. Luka ulit, may half ng bola guys. Di-dribble yung bola guys. Ang ganda na naman ng pasa niya guys kay Library guys. Open na open. Luka guys, ganda na naman ng pasa sa sentro nila guys. Tak-tak mo naman. Edward, pick and roll kay Gobert guys. Sabay pull up sa midi. Patayan guys. Third quarter guys, 56-70. Lamang pa na ng Minnesota guys. Luka may harap ng bola guys. Dribble guys, sabay step back sa tres. Bang, bang na naman guys. Luka again guys. Ganda mo na ng pasa na dito guys. For open 3, nakasama niya guys. Patay guys. Uncle Drew guys, pick and roll ulit kay Gafford. Naiyon na naman si Edward guys, sabay pinamlaro yung depensa using the glass, push shot, pasok. Edward guys, may hawak ng bola, screen, double screen, sabay di nakasabay rin for long 3. Patay guys. Kyrie guys, may hawak ng bola, walang dribble, biglang pumull up sa tres. Patay guys. Kyrie Irving guys, nag-iinit na dito sa quarter na. Kyrie again guys, sa harap ni Reed guys, pumull up ng dress, punit guys, grab, biglang lamang na yung Dallas guys sa fourth quarter na to. Edwards salaksap guys, pero pinasa sa labas, kinapunta kay Reed for 3. Patay guys. Sabay bumawil man si Kyrie dito guys, long 3 din guys, patay din. Reed ulit guys for 3. Patay na naman, naiwang bukas. Patay. Luka outlet pass kay Gafford guys. Nakuha ni Gafford guys. Sabay no foul guys. Tapos naishoot niya yung ganong layup na mahirap guys. Grabe. Reed ulit guys. Sa malaksak. Sabay sa lampak yan guys. Grabe. Luka may harap ng bola. Screen yan guys. Sabay halop kay Lovely guys. Easy to dunk yan. Mike Conley guys, malapsap guys. Lay up yan, matik. 103-104 guys, lamang pa rin ng Minnesota. Luka guys, ang ganda ng pasa dito kay Kyrie guys. Sa corner 3, 4-3. Kyrie, patay guys. Anthony Edward guys, nagharap ng kamukha guys. Naitapon niya yung sabaw guys. Turnover yan guys. 8.7 seconds guys, lamang pa rin ng Minnesota ng dalawa guys. At Luka guys, itong ginawa niya guys. Kiros Povera si Gobert guys, sabay 3 for the win. Punit guys. Grabe, panalo ang Dallas dito guys. 2-0 na guys.